Wind turbines are among the most demanding installations when it comes to safety and reliability. Operating in harsh environments and exposed to extreme weather, they require regular maintenance and thorough electrical safety testing to ensure optimal performance and protection of both equipment and personnel. In these critical tasks, Metrel's advanced and portable testers play a vital role. Instruments like the MI3288 tester are designed to perform high-precision measurements of grounding impedance, touch and step voltages, insulation resistance, and earth bonding using the 4-wire Kelvin method. This method is particularly useful because from the blade tip to the foundation, every part of the turbine must be properly electrically bonded and tested. The process begins with testing the down conductor cables. The down conductor is a crucial component in the lightning protection of wind turbine blades and must be thoroughly tested to ensure good continuity and the ability to direct lightning energy into the ground. The most suitable tool for continuity testing in these situations is the MI3288 tester. Simply select single tests, DC resistance measurements, and micro-ohm measurements. Ensure that you have set the current to 2 amps before starting the test. On the ground, or more precisely in the ground, this involves measuring touch and step voltages and verifying equipotential bonding. There are several standards that provide guidelines for testing grounding systems, including the measurement of earth resistivity, ground impedance, and voltage distribution during transient events. These standards help ensure that the grounding system performs reliably under both normal, fault, and lightning strike conditions. When lightning strikes near a turbine, the resulting voltage gradients in the soil can pose serious risks. That is why it is essential to analyze the voltage distribution around the structure, especially in the vicinity of access points and maintenance areas. Every wind turbine grounding analysis begins with the correct positioning of the remote probe. Typically, a reel with a 75-meter extension lead is sufficient to shape the voltage funnel, which is a critical element for accurate ground impedance and voltage distribution measurements. A test circuit is established between the remote probe and the base of the wind turbine structure. The generator section of the measuring instrument, such as the Metrel MI3288 or the MI3290, is connected between the turbine base and an auxiliary probe using the reel's black and blue wires. To measure step and touch voltages, the green and red wires are used. These measurements are performed with the help of 2 200 square centimeter metal plates and a human body resistance simulator, which replicates the electrical characteristics of a person in contact with the ground. This setup ensures that the results reflect the worst-case scenario, such as a lightning strike, and allow for accurate calculations of the potential impact on human safety. Around the wind generator, we identify and assess all potential hazards. These may be found on grassy surfaces, bare soil, or even in bushes and deeply rooted vegetation. Each of these environments can influence the voltage gradient and pose risks during transient events. Once all potential hazards have been identified and assessed, simply take your MI3288 tester, select single tests, and then choose potential. This opens the step and touch voltage measurement screen. Start the measurement. The result shows a voltage of below 716 volts at a current of 50 kiloamps, confirming that the installation remains safe in the event of a lightning strike. For a more comprehensive analysis, the MI3290 Earth Analyser can be used. More precisely, the pulse impedance measurement evaluates grounding quality in situations involving lightning strikes, transients, or surges. The tester also supports low-frequency 4-pole earth impedance, making it an ideal tool for large-scale earthing and grounding assessments of wind turbine farms. But testing doesn't stop there. Substations connected to wind farms must also be thoroughly assessed. This includes identifying and resolving any power quality issues that could degrade the transfer of energy into the distribution network, using the MI 2992 Power Analyzer or any other Metrel Class A power quality analyzer. In short, Metrel provides engineers and technicians with everything they need to ensure that every part of the turbine system, from blade to ground and beyond, is tested, verified, and protected.